I'm really happy to be here for the National Productivity Summit at IIT Tech Park in Chennai. National Productivity Summit over the decades has been very useful for the manufacturing industry. In fact, at Suprato Forge, our team have also participated in this summit, and there has been a lot of learning over the period of time. And in these 2 days, they are going to present a lot of case studies, and some of the case studies are really path-breaking one in the past. The delegates who are attending these National Productivity Summit, they get more motivated by the case studies, and then they can go back to their companies and do a lot of improvements and productivity improvements. And I'm really happy that this productivity summit, this year's edition, is conducted in Chennai, which is the auto capital of India, especially with the current global scenario, with a lot of manufacturing activities coming to India, and that too primarily to Chennai. There is a big flip to the auto industry, and this is apt that it is in Chennai. And again, in collaboration with IIT is another feather in the cap, because IIT Madras, they are now working very closely with a lot of institutes. Their incubation center is excellent, and it has really fostered more youngsters to come into manufacturing. And this way, IIT hosting this year's Productivity Summit is really apt, and I look forward to the 2 days of observing summit, and also wish all the delegates the best.